Hey guys, how are we all doing? Hope we are having a great day. Happy new week. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you, and if you are new here, you are highly welcome. This is Joy's Fashion World, and I would love for you to be part of this family. So please subscribe, like and comment and share. I love you all. We will be learning how to make an inseam pocket, a clean and professional way to add pockets to your outfit. If that's what you are looking for, make sure to watch till the end. I will start by drafting the pattern on a pattern paper before cutting it on the fabric. First, rule a straight line as a guide. The length of the pocket is 9.5 inches and the width is 8 inches, and you will mark it down. After marking, connect the point with a straight line and you cut it out. After cutting, now let's mark the entrance where the hand will pass. From the top edge, mark 7 inches down and then come in with half of an inch and you mark it down, after which you connect the point with a straight line. On the bottom part, go 3 inches up and 2.5 inches in from the edge. On the upper part from the entrance, mark 3 inches in as seen and you connect the points together. To make sure the pocket is spacious enough, place your hand over the draft. If it fits comfortable, then you are good to go. Now slightly curve the edges to remove sharp corners and you cut the pattern. So now we'll be using it to cut on the fabric, and we'll be cutting 4 pieces on the fabric. You fold your fabric into 2 layers and place the pattern on top, and you pin it down to keep it steady while cutting. Add a half-inch seam allowance all around except for the entrance as seen. Cut it out and slit the entrance open. Now repeat the same process to cut the second pocket piece. We need 4 pieces in total, 2 for each side. Next is to sew the pocket. Place the 2 fabric pieces wrong sides together. Align them properly. Mark half-inch seam allowance, leaving the entrance open. Do the same for the second pocket piece. You place wrong sides together, align them properly, and you mark half-inch seam allowance, leaving the entrance open. I'll take you to my sewing machine, stitch along the mark line and show you. One stitch, trim off the excess fabric and turn it inside out. Now I'll take you to my sewing machine, top stitch all around for a neat finish. After top stitching, this is what it's looking like and our pocket is ready. Next is to fix it to our dress. To position the pocket correctly, measure 17 to 18 inches down from the shoulder seam of your gown. From that mark, measure 7 inches down, which is where the pocket opening should be. Place the pocket on the marked spot and sew it securely to your gown. And that is it. You have successfully added an inseam pocket to your outfit. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, share with your sewing friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay safe and happy sewing. Bye.